Now I'm right here at Computer Village Power Complex. If you recall last week, they had a press briefing telling Nigerians that there was a plan to demolish the place and send all of them packing.
Ndi Igbo no na Lagos. How far? How market? Kekunume. So many of you bundi nalu December. Gabata Lagos kudo shop unu empty. So many of you gabata. Oburu na ebe a shop unu dey turn go to empty ground. Maka na asị na ụkpa na okpoko gbulu bụ ntị chilia and ekwe na tekwele. Ama na oburu ọsọsọ mụ wafulu voice note to voice record trend one time ago before this current vice president we bata na ọchịchị. Will voice record trend that time. Ebe ọ na akọwa na the voice ọ na-agwa mmadụ plans fanwelu against Ndi Igbo.
In fact, the plan of APC is that they are going to make alliance of Northwest economic development. The West has the ocean. Can you hear me? Yes. The North has agricultural produce. Yes. So what they are going to do, the government is going to develop all the agricultural and mineral resources in the North. And then they will put primary industries here. And then go and export, finally finish them in Lagos or Southwest and export them and bring back the money and share it between the two regions. Let them drink their oil. This is the plan on ground.
I'm not brought some more video on trend recently. Although the video Yemen 2019 during the campaign of Buhari second tenure. Ebe the current first lady of Nigeria no na-ekwu plans fanwelu against Ndi Igbo. Obugo na ntị chilu no na afro ihe niile a mgbe nna ka na-etikwu dị mkpu ọnụ na anụrụ ya.
Built here and the family is not here anymore. The same thing will happen to Igbo people. The same thing will happen to Igbo people. You will lose your property. This property doesn't belong to the family anymore. They're not here. You will lose yours as well. If this was built in Israel, they will have no problem today. But it wasn't, because they were outside. The same way some of you are foolishly living in Lagos and in Abuja. Something will happen.
Mgbe Ojukwu n'onwe ya kwuru nke ya ọnụ na anụrụ ya ihe na-eme recently ọ bụ nọ na anụ na ntị anya onye isi nọ na afụkụ nke bụ ụzọ ama m na nkwuo na ọnụ ga-abịa eju m ọsọsọ Ndị Igbo nọ na that plaza. The news reaching me now bụ na one plaza dị na Computer Village na Lagos no under demolition. Currently, as I'm speaking to you now, under demolition. And I can tell you that that plaza, 99 as well 100, 80% of them boom Igbo. Manana agunu onada anu. Onwere yo ga-etake unu ibudata ngwa afin na Southeast. Southeast adibi as bad as onu na-eche na odi. People can na Southeast na-eme business na azụsi afọ ike. Aka na azụ afọ na Onitsha main market. aka na-azụ afịa na Aba market, aka na-azụ afịa na Abia steeti, na-azụ ma na Enugu ma na Ebonyi ma na Imo steeti. Ndị mmadụ ka na-eba na-azụ afịa. Anyị ka nwere too many billionaires nọ side na-azụ afịa na-emeke ya big time. Ọ dịrọkwa n'izi relocate, mana ọ bụrụ na ndị willing nchọ relocate, ọ bụrụ na ihe ahụ na-afụ na-emetụta m n'ahụ true onwe dị oge teku iji wee relocate ya. Ka ha piko ọtụtụ okwu, watch the video unu fụje na-eme na Lagos now.
All right, so we're just somewhere around the very popular computer village, and what we can tell you right now is that tenants of these shops here, there's so much desperation on their faces, and perhaps we can just pan and let's show you what we are talking about here, because these tenants who have shops here have been left perhaps in a dilemma or confusion. They have gotten reports about the need for an urgent renovation work, and their shops, we understand, are going to be demolished any moment from now. And that's why you can see the faces of those who have shops here, who have been here for many years. They've been asking questions as to why exactly now, and yet some of these questions have not been answered. We've only just arrived here a couple minutes ago, and that's why the details are really very, very sketchy. But what we can tell you is that this is not the first time this has happened. They have received such a notification of demolition in 2019, and fast forward now to 2023, they have again received another notification of a demolition exercise to happen here any moments from now. When we got on ground a few minutes ago, we also discovered that some of them are already moving their items in their shops just to prepare for the worst, perhaps. But let's bring in the chairman of these shops who would perhaps give us some more perspective and clarity. Mr. Chairman, just very briefly, talk to us exactly why are your people standing here? What have you been told?
Anyway, it's unfortunate that we are facing this kind of a thing from some developer, that they bend on bringing this place down since 2019. Láti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀, because 2019 Ari letter pon fẹ́ develop fún wa ní.
All right, so you have to speak in English because of our viewers, international viewers. But quickly, who said they want to come and demolish this place?
Okay, then we had an invitation from a developer through the power. Through Power College. Then when they brought the invitation, then we tried to talk to them, but they bend on bringing it, and then we go to press, then we talk to them. Later, then we reach out to IGY. Then IGY denied that he doesn't know anything about the issue.
All right.
Then.
All right. Then, all right.